live from the command center of the JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Thanks for watching. Today I'm showing you what I'm building here. I have 8S14P, which are comprises of a 112 cells, 3.2 volts LFP lithium-ion phosphate batteries. Each cell is a 25 amp hours. So if you multiply 25 by 14 to make in parallel, that's going to be 350 amp hour. So each string you guys seen here, I have 8 of them there. Each string is 14 in parallel, and I series them 8 of those, and that gives us a total of 350 amp hours. So we are looking at your approximately about 9 point something kilowatt on 24 volt. So I'm showing you guys, I've heard these batteries are from Battery Hookup, and we are just creating something that really powerful and really useful and sustainable for larger systems, for smaller systems. But if you decide to make one of these bank or this module or bank I already have right here, to build this 350 amp hour, that's a lot of power. You have to have 2 of this setup to give you 448 volts. And when you tie them in a series, this already being in a series parallel, so that's why we have 350. You're gonna end up with 350 amp hours at 48 volts. You have to have the same, you give it a replica of this and build it, and now you can have 350 amp hours. Some people say, JW Solar USA, so what's the deal here? We already have 350 amp hours. Why are we still managing 350 amp hours? Because when the voltage goes up, the amperage stay low. So if it was 12 or 24 volts, we have 2 of these, we accumulated to 700 amp hours. That's a 8S. That would be 8S 28P. That's massive. That's massive. So I just want to show you guys this is what I've already done. This guy is really heavy. Like someone mentioned in the first video, heavy but not too heavy for me. For other people they might, but I'm just going with the flow. I can put something underneath, put in a cart, and it's gonna stay there. And this one is built to last. Thanks for watching.